Hello everyone, welcome to Cofinex Exchange, your go-to channel for simple, honest crypto education. So, everyone talks about blockchain, but what exactly is it? Is it crypto? Is it technology? Is it complicated? In this video, I'll explain you blockchain in the simplest way possible. So let's start. What is blockchain? Now I'll explain you blockchain like a story. So, blockchain is a digital record book. Imagine a notebook where every transaction is written, no pages can be erased, and everyone can see it. That notebook is called blockchain. It stores information in a safe, transparent, and permanent way. Why is it called blockchain? It is called blockchain because block means a page of data, and chain means blocks linked together. Each new block is connected to the previous block. Once a block is added, it cannot be changed nor deleted. How blockchain works? Let's break it down very simply. Step 1. A transaction starts. You send a crypto to someone and this request goes to the blockchain network. Step 2. Network verification. Thousands of computers called nodes check, is the sender real or does the sender has enough money? In this whole network verification, there is no involvement of bank. Step 3. Block creation. After verification, the transaction is grouped together and this group becomes a block. Step 4. Added to the chain. These blocks linked to the previous blocks and now this whole block is in the blockchain forever. Step 5. Transaction completed. Now, when the transaction is completed, everyone in the network can see it. Why blockchain is important? Blockchain is powerful because it's decentralized. No single owner. Transparent, anyone can verify. Secure, almost impossible to hack. And trustless. No need to trust any middleman. Role of blockchain in crypto. Crypto cannot exist without blockchain. So what is blockchain? Blockchain records every crypto transaction, prevents from double spending, and keeps ownership transparent. So without blockchain, crypto is not safe. After all this definition, I'll give you a simple example to understand blockchain. So when you send rupees 500 to a friend in a bank, what happens? Bank checks, bank approves, bank records. But in a blockchain, it happens like network checks, network approves, and blockchain records. So in this blockchain, there is no need of a middleman or bank. So finally, blockchain is the foundation of crypto. It brings security, trust, transparency. Understanding blockchain will help you understand the future of finance. If this video has helped you understand blockchain, then like, share, and subscribe for more such simple crypto educational videos.